Welcome to Mini Talks and welcome to my two bird friends. Look, what are they doing? The both of them are together. Where are you guys going? Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh. You're two lovebirds. Hello there. Okay, now I have the both of you. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Come on. They're not scared of me, haha. That's good. Come on, just keep on eating. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, the both of you are together all the time? Okay. Hello there. Okay. Wow, where are you? Two lovebirds are here. You're following your friend? There you go. Hello. Oh, stop flying. Don't fly. Okay. Now they're all up there to say bye-bye. Where's the other one? Okay. Good to see you, my friends. Okay. This is Mini Talks, just enjoying the company of birds. Have a good day. Stay safe and healthy as usual.